All right, thank you for doing the watching. Those of you watching me live on Facebook and those of you on YouTube. This is a Leading Forex YouTube channel. I'm Kofi, your admin, and currently I am here to tell you some few things that we should take note of. Today is Tuesday and the market has just begun going very good. So we need to take some signals and we need to take some things because the weekend signals that I gave, almost about 80% of them have given us the TP. The remaining few are still in profit. So let's see what we can do by adding some few signals. I'm right behind my PC. My PC is right here. And so I want to comb through and give you some few things. But first of all, this is what I want to say. In the next few minutes or in the next few hours, we're looking at AUD and then NZD to start going weak. Okay, we are looking at AUD and then I think NZD. Yes, these two currencies, we are going to start seeing them going weak. All right, so what you need to do is to look at your trading strategy or your trading tools and see which currencies pairs that have the AUD and then the what do you call it, the NZD, that can possibly give you some profit. Okay, but I have few here. Supposing you don't have a trading tool that will help you out in that regard, I have some few pairs here I want us to look at. I just want to comb through only the AUD and then the NZD signals, I mean the pairs, and then we can look at the possible ones. Currently, when you look at Euro AUD, let me check Euro AUD. Yes, Euro AUD currently as we speak, the price is at 1.65416. So it is on a very strong support, and one would think that this support will be broken. Yes, this support is going to break, and the break is going to be a false break. This is going to be a false break. When you look at the 4-hour chart, I'm currently using the 4-hour chart. It is on a very strong support, and one would think that Euro AUD, the support is going to be broken. Yes, I believe strongly that support will be broken, but that support is going to be a false break, and so I will expect a reversal. Right after the support is broken on the 4-hour. So take note of that. Now let me look at the Euro NZD. Let's see. Euro NZD has also almost broken one support. There are two supports. If you look at the 4-hour chart, Euro NZD has two supports on the downtrend. It has two supports. One has been broken, and then the nearer one as we speak will be at a price of 1.76015. That will be the nearest support you can look at. But I want to believe that this trade will begin to go up for a buy. That is what I'm beginning to see, because if if NZD and AUD trades are going to become weak, then it means that these trades I have just mentioned are going to give us something good from that perspective. Let's look at GBP AUD. GBP AUD, yes, is also poised or strongly going to go buy. GBP is going to take AUD for a buy. So those of you who are looking at that, when you look at GBP AUD on the 4-hour chart, it has been consolidating for some days now. So the price of GBP AUD is currently at 1.85846. That is what I'm seeing on the 4-hour chart right now. So I also believe that that trade is also going to start going buy. That's GBP AUD. Now, one will say, why are you not showing us the charts? It is my trading tools, and I can't just show my trading tools to you just like that. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. I don't want to give you something that you are not used to. Okay, so that is why I am not showing my trading screen right now. So please pardon me for that. Since I've been doing this live broadcast in terms of forecast, you have always seen the results. So don't doubt what I'm giving you. I'm not saying that yes, perfectly everything was going to be perfect all the time, but I believe that what I'm giving you is also very good. That may give you some profits, okay? So don't worry because I'm not showing you my screen, okay? My trading tools are different from your trading tools, so I wouldn't want to bother you much with my trading tools. So I would love to do my analysis and give it out to you. Then you will compare it with your trading tools, okay? If it goes in that direction, then you can go for it. So don't worry about that. Now, again, let me look at which other pair has okay, so GBP NZD. Let me look at that one too. GBP NZD. GBP NZD to the same. It's just like GBP AUD right now. It has been consolidating on the 4-hour chart. So I'm hoping that GBP NZD will also go by. Okay. This morning, AUD and NZD has been very strong, but we have seen the strength going down right from now, and we believe that the strength is going to keep on reducing. So it's a possible trade for us to take when we see that with our trading system. So which other trade can I give you? Let me see. NZD card. Let me check NZD card and see. NZD card. Okay, so the NZD card is also, yes, NZD card, you can look at a possible sell for NZD card. A possible sell for NZD card any moment from now. And then let me look at NZD chef. NZD chef. Yes, the same thing. NZD chef too, you can look at a sell for NZD chef. A sell for NZD chef. All right. And then let me see NZD JPY. NZD JPY. NZD JPY loading. Okay. It's also, yes, at that point ready for a sell. NZD JPY also for a sell. Let me look at the rest of the AUD pairs, then we can just end this video. Now, AUD USD, yes, it's also getting ready for a sell. AUD USD is also getting ready for a sell. So you can look at that too with your trading tools. When it confirms, you can take those trades. All right. And then also, let me see AUD card. Let me check AUD card. AUD card. AUD card right now, yes, AUD card has even started the sell thing, but it is not yet a full sell thing, but the sell is also possible with AUD card. All right. And then what of AUD and ZD? These two currencies are going weaker. So which one will power the other, or will be stronger than the other? For me, AUD and ZD, I think you can leave that trade. You can leave that pair. Since the two are going to be weak, there is no need taking that. There's no need going for them because the two are going weaker. So what will be the need for going to take the two trades? Let me look at this one too. And then also, good, AUD chef. AUD chef too, you can look at a possible sell anytime soon. So today is Tuesday, and like I always tell you, the NZD AUD trades, apart from GBP AUD and GBP NZD trades that go very volatile, the rest do not move fast. So if you are trading GBP AUD or GBP NZD, I would suggest that you give it a small lot size. Please give it a small lot size, because these two currencies are volatile currencies. They can move very high and they can move with speed. So give them the least lot size that you can. All right. But when it comes to NZD USD, AUD USD, the NZD chef, the NZD JPY, AUD JPY, and the rest, they don't move that much. So those ones you can at least give it a consideration. Again, if you are to set your TP, GBP AUD and then GBP NZD, give it a TP of 200 pips. Give it a TP of 200 pips. GBP AUD and then GBP NZD, give it a TP of 200 pips, and then a stop loss of 100 pips. We have the 1:2 ratio thing, don't forget. So GBP AUD and then GBP NZD, give it a TP of 200 pips, and then a stop loss of what? 100 pips. Let me give you those trades, their current prices right now, so that we can all be monitoring to see whether we'll be in loss or we'll be in a win. So let me give you the prices now. Currently, GBP AUD, the price is 1.85959. So that is the price of GBP AUD. Then let me see GBP NZD right now. GBP NZD, the price right now is 1.99153. So these two trades, please give them a TP of 200 pips and a stop loss of 100 pips. Okay, I have already done a video on how to calculate your stop loss and how to calculate your TP. So if you are still having difficulty with that, please go and watch the video on how to calculate your stop loss or your TP on Leading Forex YouTube channel. Okay, when you go to Leading Forex YouTube channel, you will see the video there. Please, you can watch and be able to calculate your TP and your stop loss immediately. And then the rest of the pairs, please give it a TP of 80 pips. The rest of the AUD and ZD pairs, give it a TP of 80 pips and then a stop loss of 40 pips. A TP of 80 pips, a stop loss of what? 40 pips. And I think you can calculate this, because if you have watched the video I did on how to calculate, I'm sure this will be easy for you to do. All right, so that is that. I'm still home. I'm here to go to work. I'm a journalist by profession, and I work with a radio station in Ghana here. Beyond FM is actually the radio station in Ghana here. When you come to Ghana, OT region is one of the newly created regions. So OT region was part of Volta region. So we've been divided into two. So I am in OT region, one of the newly created regions, and specifically I am in Nkwanta. Nkwanta, that is where I am. I'm a bit popular here. When you come and you mention the name, it's easy for you to locate me or to get to know me better. So I wouldn't come here to just tell you anything anyhow. We are traders. We are forex traders. This is something we are doing aside of our professions. So let's take it serious, and then we can make the profit and begin to make something extra that can take care of our bills. All right. So this is what I have for you. If you are watching me on Leading Forex YouTube channel or Facebook or the Telegram page, please subscribe. Those of you who want to join the Telegram page, that is where we will give you the update as to how the trades are doing. So go and join our Telegram page, and you can find the link to our Telegram page at the description of this video. All right, go to the description of this video and you get the Telegram page link there and join. All right, this is what I have for you. AUD and NZD, these two pairs are going to become weak very soon. Today is Tuesday, and so 26th of May, Tuesday 26th May 2020, Tuesday 26th May 2020. Take note of the date, because we'll be updating ourselves as to how these trades will go later in the day and then later in the rest of the week. All right, so take care and let's make the profit together.